is the last of our stack program. We've already coded our .h and our .cpp file. The last thing we're going to do is code the main. We're going to show you how to implement a stack with a linked list. So all we have to do in this is declare our stack. Oh, no, we don't. We have to include it because I haven't done that yet. Pound include stack.h. Okay, on your include statements, I'm getting some people that are eventually getting a few errors on this. So you only have to include your .h file from main, and if you look at your stack.h, it's not shouldn't have to include anything. Some compilers might force you to do a pound include statement right here for stack.cpp, but some don't. It just depends on your compiler. However, stack.cpp should include stack.h. Let's see, I don't think mine liked that, so I'm going to get rid of that. This particular compiler does not like that include statement. Alright, cute, and I am forgetting a string data type, aren't I? Okay, so don't forget to include, using namespace std. We fix it with that. And then pound include string. Alright, I'm going to pause this while I figure out what some of these errors are. I'll be right back. Okay, did you find the error before I did? Not yet, because I hit pause. Here we're missing our return statement. We got to return out, and then if you go up here, we do have to include IOStream to use the OStream operator. Okay, so theoretically that should now compile. If not, send me an email and we'll figure out why not. So I'm going back to main. Let's code our stack. So I'm going to say stack. Let's just call it stack. And then we're going to push onto the stack whatever your favorite foods are. So you can say stack.push. I like lasagna. And let's just do some copying and pasting in. Sushi. Love sushi. How about, I don't know, what else do you like? Put in all your favorites. And through the magic of television, I am going to add all of my favorites. Bang! Love it. Alright. Hate it when it does that weird tabby thing. Doesn't go correct. Fine. You're all getting back tabbed then. Nope. Alright, so now that you've got a stack full of stuff, we could do a cout statement to kind of take a look at our stack. And what we should notice, since it's a stack, is all of the items in our list are going to be in the reverse order. So I'm going to compile this, run it, and there we go. We can see that watermelon is first, whereas watermelon is last here. Fried chicken, mashed potatoes, candy, mac and cheese. There it is. There's our stack backwards. Now, if we wanted to remove from our stack, we can do that. So we could say stack.pop, and you could do that. Let's do that maybe 4 times or something like that. However many times we're going to get rid of some of our food from our stack. So all I'm doing is doing a pop 4 times. So now if I do a cout statement, we should notice that the last 4 items, I should say, are not going to be in the stack. So there it is, watermelon, fried chicken, mashed potatoes, and here it starts at mac and cheese. And the first or the last or first, and the first or last, they're missing. And so that's kind of how we use our stack. Now if we wanted to, we could switch this and keep popping until the stack was completely empty, just by doing maybe a while loop and saying, well, let's show you. Let's do another one. While is is empty. Now let's not. We already did that in the destructor. We already showed you that. All right, so we have now implemented our own data structure. And if this is something that's kind of confusing to you, that's okay. We'll help you through the next project. This is kind of what our next class, if you take the 2420, the data structures class, it's all about using pointers to create your own different types of data structures in different ways and more efficient ways of storing data. So hopefully this works for you, and we will see you in class.